Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, on today's episode, we're going to finish pulling the engine out of the Blazer, and hopefully with any luck, we'll be able to start to put the new one in. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, on the last episode we started pulling the engine out, so let's get to work and finish the job. See that? Our freeze plug. It's for sale.
Popped right out.
Popped right out. Half hour.
So they had to sit with water in it.
Yeah, they did. Well, at least the freeze plugs did their job.
Yeah. Filled up the crankcase.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try to reuse these exhaust manifolds right here. They were the ones that were originally on the engine that we've been messing with, so we're gonna try to get these off. It looks like the flange is a little bent, so it might be a little bit of a challenge, but we're gonna see what we can do. Ed's going to order a seal for that transmission right now. This is a seal puller. And that thing is stuck. Oh.
You sound like me.
I know. Ugh. So you can see that stud is bent, and the other ones were too. I don't know where the third one went, but anyway, we've been heating those and taking them out. I'm gonna try to catch the third one on camera for you. Yep. Chance to cool off a little bit. Still a little bit.
Still tight?
Yeah. Mass heat. So we managed to break two of the studs off, which isn't totally surprising. Now we get to drill them on. I figured for your enjoyment, I'd just film the entire drilling out process and let it play for you. Wanted to show you guys kind of interesting on the Blazer here. This is the windshield washer fluid bottle. It's all full of like wasp nests, or I don't know exactly what they are, but it's just full of them. There's probably 8 or 10 of them in there. Not exactly sure how they got in there. I guess they were all living in there, and one nest would fall and they'd build a new one. And interesting. All right. So we got the new studs put in here. The new water pump is on it. Exhaust manifolds are on. And then over in the Blazer, there's new fuel lines put on. And then the torque converter's back in the transmission where it should be. So it's all ready to hopefully drop right on in now. Just like it happened at the factory. Only the body's on the chassis now. One thing we forgot to stick in was the fuel pump. So as soon as the fuel pump gets here, we'll put that in now. It'll be way easier to do it now than once this engine's in the truck. So then it'll be ready to drop in, hopefully.
You know, you never have the time to do it
Yeah.
once, but
There
you always
you
have the
see.
time to do it twice.
Motor mounts are bad. We didn't catch that. They were sitting in their right spot, and I don't know. We may have moved them or something and knocked them totally out, but that was giving us a bunch of grief. So we ordered new ones. Like Ed just said, you always got time to do it twice. see what the underside looks like. Jake brought his Suburban today. Figured I'd show it to you guys. This thing's pretty clean. I don't remember if this is a 90 or 91, but it's one of the two. Pop the hood. These have the inside hood releases on them. So this one being the year it is fuel injected. Let me see, this will tell me what year it is. This is a 1990. Jake's doing the front brakes on it. This will give us a chance to look at how beefy they built the front ends on these things back in the day. Look at the floors in this thing, just like they just rolled off the assembly line. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time, and we'll keep working on the Blazer. All right, guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's, sorry, dog distraction. Hey, puppies, what are you guys doing? What are you looking at?